Hello guys, my name is Gaurav Kamlagar Parab from Gokte Joglekar College Ratnagiri. Today I am going to discuss about how does the internet work. The video you are watching now traveled thousands of miles from a Google data center to reach you. Let's learn how the internet works by getting to understand the details of the data's incredible journey. The data center, which can be thousands of miles away from you, has your video stored inside it. How does this data reach your mobile phone or a laptop? An easy way to achieve this goal would be with use of satellites. From the data center, a signal could be sent to the satellite via an antenna. The satellite is parked nearly 22,000 miles above the Earth's equator, so in order for the data's transmission to be successful, the optical fiber cables connect between the data center and your device. Your phone could be connected to the internet via cellular data or any Wi-Fi router. But ultimately, at some point your phone will be connected to this network of optical fiber cables. We should first understand an important concept, which is the concept of an IP address. Every device that is connected to the internet, whether it is a server, a computer or a phone, is identified uniquely by a string of numbers known as an IP address. You can consider the IP address similar to your home address. The server in the data center also has an IP address. The server stores a website, so you can access any website just by knowing the server's IP address. However, it is difficult for a person to remember so many IP addresses. So to solve this problem, domain names like youtube.com, facebook.com, etc. are used, which correspond to IP addresses, which are easier for us to remember than the long sequence of numbers. The internet uses a huge phone book known as DNS. If you know a person's name but not their telephone number, you can simply look it up in a phone book. The DNS server provides the same service to the internet. The data is transferred in digital format via optical fiber cables, more specifically in the form of light pulses. These light pulses sometimes have to travel thousands of miles via the optical fiber cable to reach their destination. In their journey, they often have to go through tough terrains such as hilly areas or under the sea. There are global companies who lay and maintain these optical cables networks. These visuals show how the laying optical fiber cables is done with the help of a ship. A plow is dropped deep into the sea from the ship. A plow is dropped deep into the sea from the ship, and this plow creates a trench on the seabed, and to which places the optical fiber cable. These optical fiber cables carrying the light are stretched across the seabed to your doorstep, where they are connected to a router. The router converts these signals to electrical signals. If you are accessing the internet using cellular data from the optical cable, the signal has to be sent to a cell tower. And from the cell tower, the signal reaches your cell phone in the form of electromagnetic waves. Since the internet is a global network, it has become important to have an organization to manage things like IP address assignment, domain name registration, etc. This is all managed by an institution called ICANN, located in the USA. Thank you for watching this video.